Are robots really coming for your job? It's a question that's spreading like wildfire. Headlines scream it, influencers warn about it, and people everywhere are starting to wonder, am I next? The truth is more complicated than a simple yes or no. In today's video, we're going to dive into the facts, bust some myths, and help you understand exactly what AI means for your job and your future. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's explore the truth about AI and the workplace. Let's start with the biggest misconception. AI doesn't eliminate entire jobs, at least not in most cases. What it really does is replace specific tasks within jobs. For instance, if you're in marketing, AI might help you write product descriptions or suggest email headlines. If you're in HR, it might screen resumes or summarize candidate feedback. If you're a journalist, it might suggest headlines or write draft summaries. But here's what it can't do. Build meaningful human connections, lead creative brainstorming, handle nuance, emotion, ethics, or leadership. AI is a tool, like a very smart calculator. It works best when paired with human judgment. Now, let's talk about who's most at risk of automation. The data shows that jobs based heavily on repetition and routine, like data entry, telemarketing, and some forms of customer support, are more likely to be impacted. These roles typically follow strict scripts or involve large volumes of predictable actions. That's where AI excels. However, even in these roles, total replacement is rare. Often, AI simply becomes a co-pilot, handling the routine stuff so humans can focus on the complex parts. And that brings us to the next point. As AI takes over certain tasks, it also opens the door to entirely new kinds of work. Think about roles that didn't exist 5 years ago. Prompt engineers, experts who know how to talk to AI. AI trainers, people who help improve machine learning models. Data annotators and curators. Automation consultants who help companies integrate AI. And let's not forget content creators, voiceover specialists, and educators who now use AI tools to multiply their productivity. In short, AI isn't just replacing work, it's transforming it. Let me show you how you can use AI today to make your work faster and smarter. Take ChatGPT, for example. This tool can help you write clear and professional emails in seconds, summarize long reports or meeting transcripts, draft ideas for blog posts or product descriptions, create customer service replies instantly. Let's try one right now. Write a polite email following up after a job interview. ChatGPT responds with a full professional draft. You can tweak it, personalize it, and send it, all within a minute. This saves you not just time, but mental energy you can use for more strategic work. What you should do next. So, what should you do? First, stop fearing AI. Start learning how to use it. Second, focus on building skills machines can't replicate: creativity, empathy, critical thinking. Third, stay informed and proactive. That's where this channel comes in. We cover tools, tips, and insights to help you stay ahead of the curve. So instead of asking, will AI take my job? Ask, how can I make AI work for me? This is Next Gen Tech, and the future is now.